Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Companion Life, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of budgeting with Companion Life. Identify your income sources. List all forms of income, including salary, bonuses, or side gigs. Next, determine your fixed expenses. Fixed expenses include rent, utilities, and insurance. Write down variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Track your spending for a month to get a clear picture. Analyze where your money goes each month. Use the Companion Life budgeting tool to categorize your expenses. Set financial goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Allocate a percentage of your income to savings. Plan for debt repayment if applicable. Adjust your budget monthly based on your spending patterns. Review your goals regularly to ensure you're on track. Make adjustments as needed to stay within your budget. Utilize the Companion Life app for ongoing tracking and support. Consider seeking financial advice if you feel overwhelmed. Celebrate your progress and stay motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.